Are you tired of your web browser takes forever to load that web page and it's bloated with ads? All you want to do is just to see what's on that page. You want to read that article, I don't know, you want to watch that video, but it's ads, it's everywhere. Did you know that ISP might also know all your history, all your web searches? Stop using the Google DNS or any other public DNS. In this video, we'll take privacy into our own hands. We'll set up our own private DNS server. And of course you have this question, what the heck is DNS? And the DNS is something that actually allows you to browse the web. It takes your website that you type like youtube.com and translates it into something numeric called IP address. And the IP address is an essential in this situation because your computer now wants to connect directly to that IP address, and then it will present you the web contents in your browser. And this is how DNS works. So in today's video I would like to present the Technitium DNS Server. This is a self-hosted DNS server for privacy and security. You can block ads, malware at DNS level for your entire network, which is really crazy because this thing will change everything for us, and it actually will change our browsing experience as well. And the good part about it, it's self-hosted, so you can install it in the cloud or you can install it inside of your own home network and point every device that you have to your DNS server that will block ads for your family, friends, or if you're in an office environment, then for your office, preventing from accessing different websites and also protecting them from falling into the scam or phishing. Let's install it. And there are different options available. So you can install it on Windows, you can install it on IRM devices for Windows, Linux, Mac OS, or even the Raspberry Pi. Also, you can install it by just using this command, or you can use Docker containers. In my case, I'm really a fan of Linux, so I'll use this in my Linux setup. And now we are on Linux. And I'm going to install using this single command that you can just copy and paste into terminal. And then we paste it. Okay, curl is not installed. I'm going to install curl. And then again we can just paste this link. So it will install the DNS server for us. The only thing that will be left exactly in this case is the setup of the server itself. And we should go to the 127.0.0.1, which is a local host in this case. And here we should set up our password. Yeah, but definitely this is the end of installation. Everything else is just I would call it like fine-tuning. And this is how it looks inside. You can use both approaches, like blacklist or the allowed, which is the whitelist. I prefer to use blocked, but in this case of course we can add our blocked option manually. So we can go simply to the settings then. In the settings we want to go to the blocking. In blocking we want to search allow/block list URLs. There's a quick add option, and I will choose Hegezi Multi-Pro and OSD Big. So let's pick OSD Big, and then let's pick Hegezi Multi-Pro Extended Protection, and then some newly registered domains. And of course, if you have lists like that, you can add them here, so they will be automatically kind of like refreshed, and then some new sources will be updated, and then you always will have up-to-date list to block phishing, malware, scam related, casino related websites. And if we go to the Gezi block list GitHub, we can find some more lists if you want to use them, of course. So these lists contain a lot of stuff, and basically you can block literally everything. But of course we don't want to do this, and we only pick some specific word lists, and after you pick one, you just have to manually search for Technitium DNS. So this will make sure that this list is actually compatible with the Technitium server. And that was the simple installation and some setup. Of course, if you want to understand how to use this thing right now, you simply go to the console and check your IP address. Okay, so now you know your IP address. You should go to the settings. In settings of Wi-Fi network, you want to go to the DNS. And in DNS, you want to change that IP address or whatever settings you have to the IP from the terminal. And as you see, this is how many queries we got. Well, we just hit the CNN, right? And this is how many blocked domains we have. And if we go to our main website, it will be like that. No advertisements at all. Of course, it might take some time, but it's only because the website itself is kind of huge and has to load different content. But yeah, you can see that there are no ads at the moment, but at the same time, the amount of queries from the CNN is just insane. With different collectors, Google Ad services, in my opinion, it's just crazy. But the good thing, though, that we successfully not only tracked that, but also blocked. On Windows, you can actually go to your network internet settings, and then you go to the change adapter options. In change adapter options, you go to the properties of your adapter, pick IPv4, and we simply change this to a custom DNS, the DNS that we set up. Make sure to disable the last alternative DNS server completely, then click OK, close. Go ahead and check if it's working for you. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you actually learned something new. You can now set up your own private DNS server and bring more privacy in your life and also bring more security in your life. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.